because I'm in here and Kenyans might not know this, that Kakamega is both literally and metaphorically the land of gold. Literally because, Governor, if I remember the last time I was here, we went to a gold mine. I have not seen much about the gold mines, and I don't know whether it's a secret that you are hiding. However, Kakamega is not just endowed in gold. It is also endowed with agricultural wealth, and the gold puts it on the map during the 1930s gold rush. But it is one of the most, and it is also one of the most populous counties after Nairobi, given its size, and the county with the largest rural population in Kenya. It is the people of the Western region, led by Kakamega, Goma, and so on, that make the lives of Kenyans a little sweeter when we drink the morning tea because of the enduring hard work of our sugarcane farmers. They are a national treasure, and I want to let them know that tunawashukuru nyote kwa ile kazi mnaendelea kufanya kutuletea sukari, kwa sababu bila sukari wengine wetu hatutaenda kazini. Kakamega County is culturally alive.